What's going on, folks? My name is Jacob, and I'm the Chief of Product at Check, and today we're talking about automating invoices. Imagine never having to handwrite or hand deliver an invoice ever again. Check makes this possible, and it is probably easier than you'd think. Let's dive in, and I'll show you an example. Let's add a client real quick. I'm going to add Miss Holly Flax, tap Import from Contacts. There we have her right there. Load up her details, and you're done. No, I'm serious, you're done. Check this out. Invoice frequency is automatically set to per job, meaning every time we complete a job for Holly, it's going to automatically generate and send an invoice to that client. Right beneath that, you'll see invoice type. It's set to SMS. The invoice type will automatically default to whichever piece of contact information you have, whether the email address or the phone number. In this instance, we had Holly Flax's phone number, so it automatically imported that phone number when we imported the contact, and it automatically defaulted the invoice type to SMS, meaning she's going to get a text message with that invoice every time you complete a job for her. It's that simple. To take this one step further, after you register to receive payments through Check, every invoice will include a link for your client to pay securely online. Check literally handles all of this for you, helping you get paid faster with less effort. No more stress, no more feeling behind. You're ready to rock and roll. I hope this video has been helpful, and we will see you in the next one.